Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Center. I am Jessica.
And I am Mike. We are happy to have you here with us today.
Today's topic is Learn English Through Story.
Yes, today we are going to learn English with Emma's story.
Let's begin.
Oh, it's Saturday. I don't have school today. Yes, today will be a great day. Wow, the air is fresh and nice. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Emma.
You look very happy today. Yes, I am excited.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Dad.
Here is your breakfast.
Thank you. Delicious.
Very good.
We have a plan today.
Really?
We are going to the park.
Yay! What should I wear? These shoes are perfect. I am ready. Dad! I am ready! Dad, you are slow.
Wait for me.
The weather is so nice. The park looks amazing. What?
Oh, man.
So beautiful. Can I go on the swing? Yes. Higher.
Hold tight.
This is so fun. Jake. Hi, Emma. Let's play. Okay. Okay. Catch me. I will. Try harder. Almost got you. Run faster. You can't catch me. I am coming. The sky is beautiful. Here you go. Thank you.
Bam.
I'll take that or what? Yeah,
Bangurdawa.
thank you. So tasty. Perfect day.
I will go now a ways.
Oh, yeah. I am happy. No, me too.
Me too.
The sunset is beautiful.
Yes, very peaceful.
It was a nice day. Let's go home. Food is delicious.
I enjoyed today.
I brush my teeth.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, Emma. Today was the best day.
That was a very nice story. I really liked Emma's day.
Yes, it was simple and happy. Emma had a great weekend with her family.
I think this story is good for learning daily English.
Absolutely. We heard many easy sentences like, I am happy, and let's go to the park.
Yes, these are very useful in real life.
Also, we learned some new words like delicious, tired, and beautiful.
And don't forget perfect day. That is a nice phrase.
Yes, I think Emma really had a perfect day.
What was your favorite part, Mike?
I liked the park scene. Emma and Jake were having so much fun.
Yes, that was fun. I liked the swing part. Higher, higher.
That was cute.
So, guys, now it's your turn. Try to use these sentences in your daily life.
Yes, practice speaking every day. Even small sentences are very helpful.
And listen to this story again to improve your English.
Repeat after us and speak slowly.
Learning English can be fun and easy.
Just like Emma's day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye!